I'm at work. Alright then. Good doctor. Jesus Christ. So watch out. What go there for 26? I gotta ask. What go there for 26? Yeah. Anybody who say them are gonna try the year, that mean them not go the year. Una can block them for me, please. Yeah man, anybody who gonna try for the year, block them. I joke. Don't block your people, them. I joke, baby. Black Tanny people. Tanny, black people, black Tanny, please and thanks. Tanny, I tell me say she go try. Black Tanny. Black Tanny. Cause me no know how Tanny, that means say I know my biggest supporter then. Money G have to go get a black. Sexy Rika have to go get a black. You know I tell me no. Marshall have to go get a. Jesus Christ. Listen to me, ladies. Me no want to no try come. My party's on the my girl party's on the 26th. And me want see everybody. My girl party's on the 26th. And and I need to see everybody. Alright then? Paul favor, thanks. Me I go get the ticket sales them up. Me I go tell you. When I know say we're not pressure nobody. That's what me I say. So I know I'm admission for coming at a party already. It's $2,000. Alright, all on the team like a jihad.
That's it.
Power tap like them, I think. Alright then, bro. Power tap like the team. This are the series of me I tell them about.
The female ranker, the female ranker, they're gonna bring themselves different. And I like we as dog, we jump up and like grab it and say,
What happened to Danny?
Tap life.
Yo, Danny really think he's him.
Go Dubai over somebody. Somebody actress and Muslim. Peel like a get. When you too much, I'm not really going to say anytime I go to Dubai, I want to do all my chest and get all them 6 pack and see me come alive and go so. Me not have to say nothing. Me don't have to say nothing more than line up like that. Me don't know one to them. You see the
Me have freeze my team.
clear skin people them like thick man with muscle. So I'm saying pale like I said them on the market man so get one and buy.
Me have freeze with your chat.
But where's Danny?
My bangs are getting low. I gotta cut them. I mean, long. I gotta cut them. What?
Where's Danny?
He's here, but I don't fucking. Chat, can we please? I was just on screen with him. I was literally just on screen with him, chat. Where is
Chat, and he can go over Danny and tell him something.
Me wanna say a freeze team.
Oh, wait. Even my match with some, when I jump and say, me can add him and come back.
Oh. Chat at you, dog, I tell. Power tap live, the dog I got add, I'm gonna add back the person and forward. Power tap live there, my team. Power tap live there. Hey, Buff Barbie, I'm gonna give you a follow, alright?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Team, power tap the live there, the film there, please, and thanks, my team. Power tap your live there. Team, Swiss gone for another person. If you can share up your live,
Let me see
if you can repost your live.
Where's Danny?
Him not answer. Oh,
Danny!
What up?
What up, what up, bro? What up, bro?
Who's Rosalie's husband?
What
Who's
you got
this?
going on over there? Time.
got
Be
smoke.
wasting
He don't got
mine.
smoke. He got smoke because it's Rosalie. Because Rosalie. That's why. Right, Rose? Right's husband? That's the only reason you got smoke?
No,
Mix. They said they mix up.
me I tell you.
Let's go try
Guys,
3
it's gonna be
strikes.
one of those shits again.
Regular game.
Hey, make sure you have smoke with all that talk, bro.
Ask Swizz who won last time I was in here.
Just make
Yeah,
sure you have
yeah.
smoke with all that talk,
Every time I'm in here,
bro.
I
I
win
got
this.
no more smoke.
Every time
Alright.
I'm in here, I win this.
No, don't say that. Me win too. Me win too.
Wait, did I win the last 2 times? Last time.
Yeah,
Okay.
by fault.
Okay. By a big fucking lion. Everybody stop, guys. Let's get out
Team,
of
power
here.
tap your live. The power tap your live.
Chat,
What we
first
do,
triple
guys?
chat, first
Team,
triple
you can use up the first triple
Not
here.
go
Chat, first
unactive
triple
with
chat,
the-
That you can use up the first triple
Everybody
here,
stop.
please,
I
and
really,
thanks.
yo, guys, I just
That you
want
can
everybody
use up
to
the first
get
triple here,
here,
them
guys.
team. Chat, use up the first triple here.
Whatever happens,
Start
happens.
that early, no, team.
Chat,
Use up the first triple here.
triple chat, play the
Y'all
first.
already know how quick
Use up the
Come on,
first
chat,
triple.
first
Use up
triple
the
chat,
first
first triple
triple.
chat. Come on, team, please try, guys. First triple
Smoking all that.
Look out here, number team, please.
Me and both
First triple chat,
okay?
first triple team. Come on, team, let's.
Use that triple here, please, and thanks.
Everybody chat, we're good. Team has been going
Chat,
crazy.
those.
Boys, big up, you know.
More of us in the building. It's gonna be
Power
funny. It's
tap
gonna be a
your
little
live.
hard.
Nadia,
Oh, it's
Wally,
quiet.
follow.
No, it's not quiet.
Come on, chat, power tap the screen, team. Everybody power tap the screen. Lock in. Chat, make a work together, bro. Thanks to the
I
confetti.
can never put my hair up. Look.
I don't even know what to say.
Get that double chat. You gotta get that double team. You gotta get that double.
Team, power tap your live. Power tap your live. Please, and thanks. Power tap your live.
One rose, chat. One rose, team. One rose.
Power tap your live. Power tap your live.
One rose, chat. One rose.
One road. Bobby,
Everybody's in the chat.
Team,
Come on, my team.
Guys,
Come on,
everybody's in the
team.
chat.
need on
We are
the
22K
Need
from
everybody
the chat. 22K
share
from
team.
the
Blow me, thank you.
If anybody
Guys,
can
everybody's in the chat.
Double chat, double team. Double chat.
Sexy,
Double
Josie,
chat, double
thank
team,
you.
double team, double. Come on, chat, double team, double chat, double.
Carla, thank you. Use that
Hair
triple,
done
use that
made.
triple, use that triple, use that double, use that double.
Chat, come on, team, use the speed chat.
Now, we play the ball.
Chat, Akeam and Pop, they're right there, so bro.
You gotta be sprite. When you go on good in another
Two
game.
girls to catch them, bro. Bro, respect for the confetti.
Yeah, baby.
Chat, use the double,
Juicy
use
Faye,
the double
thank
chat,
you,
use the
team. Big
double
up on
chat, use the double chat.
Healthy, I love them.
Big
Pass
up on
over.
Juicy Faye, thank you, team. Juicy
Get
Faye,
Akeem,
I
go,
chat.
chat.
Dirty love, thank you, team. And Juicy Faye, I chat. Big up on
Ask right now.
Use
Try to be
double.
Swiss. Try to be Swiss before his team comes in.
Carla, thank you.
Come on, chat, use the
Right now.
double team,
He's ass
chat.
right now.
You just sit
Don't
down here and watch
underestimate
me,
Danny
bro.
team chat. Use the
Carla,
double chat.
thank
We're
you.
not going to catch a
Big
Eden
up on
strike.
help, man, the team.
Double chat. Jesus Christ.
Jody Lane with the heartbeat. Thank you, Jody Lane.
Danny, what happened?
Alright, team.
Danny, what happened?
Big up on someone, please, and thank you.
Chat, power up the screen.
What the
40 of us in here, only 9 of us is active.
Chat, we have 800
Oh, what
people,
up,
bro.
like
We get a double. The girl have 4,000. The man who are lead right now, Akeam. We not have to lead, bro. Danny team, I want 1,400 chat.
We're
An
gonna
easy
go
thing
through
for
the motion. I
snipe.
ain't gonna lie, we're gonna go through the motion so bad.
What we are do, bro?
I already see who's in
Danny,
here.
are you okay?
Hey, Danny, what is
You already know, love. Thank you so much. Y el trabajo como taco.
Chat, I'm telling you, we're gonna start play the game when we pick up a strike. That don't make no sense.
Come in, locked in.
We're gonna pick up a dumb strike, bro.
Don't, Bob, don't. No
Listen,
comienzo.
I'm not gonna allow you to accept.
No, Bob, I'm not accepting it, but you already know how we cook. We've been cooking. Like, it's
No.
Chat, push up and score. The man
Alright,
team
somebody-
is snipe, bro.
Okay, tell Big Mama, you know what I'm saying? Tell Big Mama that bump a minute that we won that shit. Real shit, gangsta. But yo, hope you enjoying your break. Welcome in.
Yeah, I did, Big Mama. I'm sorry. That was
Nah, you go up yourself, you know.
I'm trying to talk to her and you over here talking.
You know, watch your next girl and we are playing I
Wait a
like,
minute,
bro.
Big Mama.
Ladies, when you can't watch your next female, them not even dig up. But
It
can't watch
was
your next
fucked up. I
female.
said no miss, and
We
we
are
still
playing I
dropped.
like.
I mean, it was good gameplay over here, but we lost.
Can't watch them too.
If we said no miss, we should have ran it with no other power up.
Chat, what we had, bro? What we had to chat? We have a sniper. We have a nigga strike. Chat, snipe. All right, let's
support our man. Go behind our back and talk
take
shit.
that. We take it to the game. Y'all play hard and y'all play good time over there. So I'm not
just
gonna
watch
take
it
that.
feel and support me and watch it.
Hi, Saucy. How you doing?
Some man
Jasmine.
say how y'all doing ladies over here.
See, the going is there. The going is there.
Just going about
Y'all know y'all was incredible from the beginning.
I got my phone, but
We're number 39 in the country.
Right now,
just come on from there.
Yo, chat, we're not even snipe,
get
bro.
the fuck out of
Suppose
here.
somebody snipe.
Yeah.
Chat, what really had the bro? Chat, I didn't know tell me something enough.
No,
bro.
some team. Thank you, no team. We win, but team.
Chat, look
We
on
have
the
a whole heap
bubble.
of female them over here, my team. You see it? Thank you, my Alex. We
bro,
have a
respect
lot
for the
of
content.
female them in the chat. Me I beg some of my female them who can play. You see, because most of the people even in my group and them thing, I'm not see them team. You see it? So me I beg on some power tap there in my life. Like, please and thanks. If you can share up your life to my people, I'm going to support me.
Yeah, share up your life.
to the team. Power tap your life team and them much we need, so we can actually get them people you have to play with. Them much we need. Come on, thank you. Thank you, man. Volan. Joseph, Carla, Farley. Everybody who come out and support me.
It's alright. It's alright.
Nadine, everybody is my appreciation. Power tap your life.
Chat, first triple team, first triple. Chat, first triple.
Team, use the first triple there. Venice, thank you. Use the first triple there, my team. Money G, holy love, you know. Use the first triple. I want to play upon the first triple, my team. That is it.
Team, that's first triple, bro.
Unpredictable. That is it, my team. Use it triple, use it triple, use it triple, use it triple. My team, use it triple. Use it triple. Blessings. Thank you, gang. Thank you. Team, they're gonna some army. Man government, thank you. And this we are talking blessings, thank you.
This is bullshit. Who is that?
Hey Danny, what happened, Danny?
Yeah, but I'm saying though, like he has to have like he like who is that?
Dirty love.
Danny, you got 5 people in there.
Chat, one run.
You got 5 people in there.
Danny, what happened? What happened?
Y'all overplaying. We're just coasting right now.
I thought you was smoking, Danny. What happened, bro?
We are. That's easy. What you doing right now?
Chat, double team. Use the double chat. Use the double team.
JC, baby.
Chat, use the double chat. Use the double.
Come on, Danny. Danny, I'm gonna give you a follow,
Guys, everybody
bro.
together try. Let's fucking get it.
Team, use that triple, Danny. Use that triple. Use that triple. I want every. Thank you. Use the triple. Use it double. Use it double. Use it double. Use it double. We have one in the team. We have one. So we have to somebody understand. That's what me I say, Carla. What you love, you know? Elizabeth, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Use it double. Use it double. Use it double. Use it double.
Guys, please win.
Chat, use the double chat. Use the double
Thank you
team.
so much. You know, I already know when you come to Carla, you get on timing too, Kelly.
Dirty love, thank you.
We're chilling.
All right, then. Then night.
How are you?
That's hard.
Thank you. Use that triple.
I want to be timid anyway. To be honest.
Man, go for me. Shotgun is clean like
No water biscuit.
unpredictable. We are talking about thank you, man. Predictable, man government. Holy Palomino, all of the ladies
Guys,
them come
everybody
out
put in
and
the chat.
support me. I
I love you,
appreciate you.
mama.
Blessings, Juicy Faye, Money
Protect you,
King,
David.
Carla, Dottie, Love, Undeniable,
Danny have a snipe.
Holy Palo. Yeah, alright then. Take.
Darling.
Danny have a ghost.
And not cuss me a cuss, you know. Just look on when everybody a play. You see when me a show you? You see when everybody a play team? When me a set team, me no want to watch other person. You see even if you can drop a hand money gonna know can drop it. Me a beg look away. See, like one you have just Money G Tani, say Juicy Faye, Kerry, just a 4 or 5 person. Alone I shoot when we have 30 people in our chat. And every day them a come do it, them alone, and then all like girl just sit down and watch. You see, it's a thing where you can't, even if you see them and do it, just put a little help my team, man. A teamwork, my team. We can't just have 1 person and 2 person every day we just stay so boom and we sit down and watch them. Watch them alone and support we. And uno am a supporter. And then when you hear, uno watch it, uno watch it. We don't see them come shoot every day. And we are team member. I know I watch people and we are support me, bro. While uno fi just there, I try help and support me. Cause we have no found no pick side, you know. Me then no found no box. Me then not even one talking. One time I pass one and me supporter them live. I me hear one of me supporter them. Where they are, I say she and me supporter, me I'll meet her. I say, I want Tia Rosie me say, you know. You can go on from now. You see what me I say? If you not say me and her, it no make sense, bro. You see it? But yeah, man, boss, I'm a dog, but a Rosie me say. No for one, bro, and go like when I'm a support, allow me alone for go on, bro, cause sometimes I just stick as alone and like when I really like me, bro. So I just alone, bro. You see it? Me hear them team, I just true me not say nothing. You see it? And then me with day and they see me a struggle. Them have an my logo and them with day and see me a struggle, brother. And I put one money gun. And then they all over the life, I blaze it up. Me now watch somebody think, but bro, I saw no deal with me and say, me and I'm a supporter. And a cussy girl, me a support me. So it no make sense to know over here. You not just be enemy and done, brother. Marshall, thank you, sis. You not just be enemy and done, bro. It no make sense to know over here. If you can't support me and my girl together, I mean not talk about with gift, me I talk about with share the same love. You see what me I say? Because no fun just say, me not like bossy, I wasn't me like. But what me do no? Me always there. And me and Tickers in night together, brother. And me and her day night together, bro. And enough way me see on a deal with me, yeah? Allow me alone no and say no go like on my supporter. You notice say no soon again over here really soon. It have to look away if you come over here and send a rose or something or send a money gun. I tell you, it have to look away. Undeniable, thank you. And then when me have me look support and see B them over here support me, when I go chatty B them one side, oh, I must want him and her and buy when I look away story, bro, and I support me again. Like everybody pre-cut up like you, or if anybody will support people, everybody want fuck like you, bro. Here you no fight time them, bro, and everybody, the girl them there, they must support me genuine. Most of them live with them and have their husband. Look on all Tani. Me and Tani husband a friend, you know. And look how them girls support me. Show me and show no, bro. I just pray one way, brother. Enough time I see when I pray one way, bro. Nobody can just genuine with love we and support we so. I see no for no support because I don't want sex with her. I just love her and just love the vibes that she bring. So why anybody will support me, them have to want me. Fun for go man and not come from over here, bro. Cause when I just come watch a little princess, them we support me, bro, and talk. Hey,
Danny.
yeah, bro, in a real life chat. Power tap you like them, I tell you. True, bro, all them do I just watch a little bit them we bro. So me have to protect them where support me because who said them I'm support and then come over here come support me. Then just there for bring down me thing, then can go on, brother. Cause most on the day I wanna run off a girl and me big shooter them with it over here. I wanna see them on a supporter run off my girl and with it over here. Yes argument about fuck and them little thing there and girl one, bro. Top coming on me like watch, brother. Certain way, bro. I think more while the speed I come, not even speed on why help me catch. Dainty Bliss, thank you. You know, support me, I'm a woman, man, I can go on, man. I know put preference. Oh, I prefer that and prefer what? I never prefer one over one. As some I love my whole and me support of them. And same way if they ask me to do a favor, me da do it for the whole of them, bro. Me nah rate none more than none. You see? Cause all of you don't know, bro. All of them even I'm showing you something. Chat, thank you, my team. I'm showing you something. You know, say if a man have $1 million and a man have 100,000. And hear me, if a man have $1 million and take 100,000 gear, and a man will have 10,000 take 5,000 gear, you know the man will take a 5,000 gear way more valuable than the man will take a 100 grand gear. So sometimes it's not all about big gift, brother. You see what I say? Even just to show a little support and a little thing there, bro. You see, because my people them support me big and the people them support me small, me love them the same way, brother. No love, no different. Me no like none more than some. You see what I say? I tell you, me no like none more than some. When I just have some Jamaican mentality, you know, I don't mind it crazy, bro. So I never see me share like to someone or none of them things. Because I know when I come support me, bro. I know when I space there, bro. But what I feel like the team. Thank you, my chat.
Shit, yeah,
Swiss,
you gotta go.
Swiss, how much are elimination? 3?
Oh, yeah, take my strike.
Perfect.
Swiss.
I gotta
I know.
A
What?
3 elimination, bro.
Yeah, so him the pan 2, she the pan 1.
what?
Alright then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ghosty.
Me and the
That
depend
saying, started the motion.
Me and the depend.
Give me the $10.
Alright, good. Alright, come in the team. Power tap the line. Power tap the line. Team, we not depend none, you know. The two of them depend 2-1. So
I'm
team,
taking
Coco
Danny
locked
strikes.
in.
I gotta go.
Alright,
Okay,
bet.
Swiss.
So I had 2. She took 1, so now she got 3. I got 0.
Yeah.
Alright then, so you're adding somebody or you're just playing the 3? You're playing the 3 so
No,
you
I'm
can lose
taking his
properly.
strike, so he has no strikes now.
Yeah, she take
Okay, so you can lose fair and square now, bro.
Yeah.
Mommy Marie, what's poppin'? You heard?
Alright, bro. Yeah, bro, I heard.
Okay.
Alright, bro,
Share
let's
money,
go.
money,
Alright.
G,
The
and
chair with the partner strike.
journey.
Both wanna keep me in
I'm
there
hold
for
on,
15
bro.
minutes more,
Undeniable.
bro.
Everybody, the ladies, them, Carla,
Say last.
Venice,
Say last.
Urfa.
What up, though,
Everybody,
Blake?
Audrey,
Hi, Marie.
and Joey.
How we
Holy
doing?
love, you know. Appreciate, you know.
Okay, we here for 15 more minutes.
Yeah. Alright then, use that triple at the meeting. Use that first triple.
Maybe if I play,
Use that first triple.
hold on.
First triple chat.
You have some of my ladies, them don't get me wrong. Something that happen to them in a life. Where sometimes they can't come support again and then. See, God just thank you.
Jamaica.
We still only for love, you know.
I need everybody
Something
to-
happen with them
First
can't
triple.
even go through no family problem.
I need
Yes, we
everybody
can.
to-
Teamless,
Thank you.
what we really have, bro?
Use the
Chat, we
triple.
have 600.
Tracy, only for love, you know. Use that triple. Maki! Holy for love, you know. Maki, thank you. Share money, thank you. Use up this Carla, holy for love, you know. Use up the. Ooh! Shaggy. Money G. Yes. Man government, thank you. Woo! Shanjane. Marshila. Gracias. Bad girl, big up yourself, you know. Big up yourself, you know. Nuts. Whole heap of love, you know. Miss Hibbert. Miss Hibbert. Miss Hib. Big up, you know. Marvin, what go on, bro? Marvin, connect me after I live. Connect me after I live, my brother. One rose, my team. One rose, my team. That is it. I'm going to give you no chat. Jesus Christ. I can't keep up, Sharon. Thank you. When me that said to you, my team, after that double, I'm talk to you. Yes, we can. Thank you. We can use the double, use the double. Use the double, my team. We can use the double. Shanice, thank you. We can use the double, my team. Sexy Rika, whole heap of love, you know. Carla, thank you. Use the double, my team. Use the double. That is it, you know, Miss T. Team, you see that? Watch ya. Look for my pints. A beer, money gun, you know. And Galaxy, you know. I don't know, big gift, you know. Me just a show on you, know. I don't know, big gift, you know. Everybody this, you know, play, you know, team. Yes, we can. Thank you, team. Just look for my views. And look on, man, government. Rosie call you Mango, I call you yesterday too, you know. So blessed, thank you, team. Venice, thank you. Just look on everybody playing. Share money, thank you. Just look on everybody playing, chat. You see what we can do? DNT bless, thank you. Just look on everybody playing. You see what we can do? You see what we team can do? Misha, thank you. Mona Lisa, thank you. You see what we team can do? And this my team can do, team. We not fair course, bro. You see what this my team can do? Me I say something to you. We have some of our people we used to support you and support you big. Then can't do it. So again, they might be can come drop a 1 and 2 thing. Because they might go through real family issue. They might go through real thing. They might go through all one process. Maybe them might buy their first house. Then just to do that, they want to buy a vehicle. They might put a little investment there. So or sometime, then just drop back on their face and just want look a bill up back. See them with favor all around. Thank you. So some of my people you see, some of them can't come. You see what I say? You see, Dana Marie, where you see? Dana Marie, you notice you know, see her sometime and she used to there every day with me. Because she can't recharge and sit. And then call me when me look. Me tell you what she do what day here. She call me and she say, son, me can't shoot, you know, me no know what want to me TikTok. So me send you something up on your cash out there. I said, Jesus Christ, my mother, you never have to. But me just assure you, when people genuinely love you, bro, and even when they can't, then try another way. You see, me have some people who say, yo, you know, me I go through some little thing with me kids and me look at something there. Twiggy are one of them. Twiggy have some people, Twiggy have a whole heap of family member where she send her to school and them little thing there. You see it where she help out. And Twiggy we come and say, son, me can't do no bag of shooting that month here, you know, for 2 months, you know, because me have some people me want me a deal with and you know, my family, me say 1 to 8 weeks, everything alright. Big up yourself. When me look at Twiggy that, see something I say, no man, mums, that alright, thank you same way. But me just assure you how people really support you. Morgan, thank you. When people really support you no matter the circumstances, they still find a way to tell you something. They are fear, you know. But because this a go on, DNT bless, big up, you know. You see what I say? Believe me. Power tap live the chat. Power tap live the material. Yeah, man, people support you, man. Nothing you know when them are your real support. You see people with pick side. Yeah, you see when no, just look at him. You see when you are a real supporter. I saw people we just connect. I mean not really, me just go on some example. I'm a people in way. You know? Yeah, bro. Me just go on some example. When people are a real supporter. Me get up sometime and look going on TikTok and see my supporter them send me all prayer, you know, bro.
4. So why you never said that before the series started?
Well, I didn't know you guys were gonna put fucking 300K points. You've been putting up 100K. I'll stay in for 2 more games, but I'm gonna come in last place 2 more games.
Alright, bro.
No, me never know me that put up
on. I'm saying like I will try to compete, but my team is not gonna play with these scores. I got nobody in here.
Alright, jump, bro.
Yo, Rosalie, pleasure. Shout out to your squad. Y'all niggas is killing it.
Alright, bro. Yes.
You already, yo, Swish, you already, bro.
Okay, bro. No problem, bro. No problem.
Akeam, may I play first three?
Alright.
I'm never done no problem before the series start.
Alright, ready? Yo, hold on there, bro. Let me thank you, people.
No strike, no strike.
Maki, Man Government, Shay Money, Tracy Money, Carla, Chandreni, Venice, Sexy Changi, Shanice, Missy Burt, everybody who we miss.
No. First triple team. Chat, use the first triple.
Couple weeks ago, he thought he threw his best shot. All I'm looking at is Twitter playing friend and foe.
Chat, use the first triple, chat. Use the first triple. Chat, use the first triple, chat. Use the first triple, chat. Use the first triple.
First triple.
Chat, we don't mind get a second triple, chat. First triple, chat. The dog team have a
20K to number 3. 20K to number 3. 20K to number 3. 20K to number 3.
Use the first triple, chat. Use the first triple.
20K to number 3. Go,
Yeah,
go
thank you,
triple,
chat.
go
Use the
triple,
first triple team.
go triple, yeah, go triple, go triple.
Mommy,
thank you. Sexy Changi, thank you.
Chat, everybody pour out up the screen.
Give my mother, big up yourself, you know, Twitter there. Give me just a chat there, you know.
Teamless, we're gonna play the game and with us, I got us.
Sorry, my mother.
Go ahead, chat. We have to give the dog a play, chat. Play, chat. Use the triple, bro. The dog team are gonna play. We're not supposed to have the excuse, bro. We're telling you so we have a series, bro. Everybody will shoot the first triple.
Stepped out of bail, I did a diddy bop.
Chat, say we can't get the second speed.
The city cop. I walk away free cause I'm innocent. And when I walk the whole world, oh nigga, why? We've been at the gas station all night. We've been at the gas station all night. Dana had the bag waiting, huh?
Chat, pour out up the screen so we get next speed. Pour out up the screen so we get next speed, chat.
Pour out up the life team. We get some roses. With the number 4 team. With the close to the board.
I want to stay out here for like a week or 2 more.
With the 5K from the board, chat.
We done banging this shit out. We gonna go after business. We gonna go handle that bitch.
Chat, we gotta get that triple.
They go get the purses. We gonna get the purses. Niggas is too late for that fuck shit, man.
Purses first. Wait, I want to go to Barney. I need that Chanel. I need the Birkin. I need it all.
Ear to us, chat. Ear to us. Ear to us.
Thank you.
Triple chat, triple team, triple chat. Chat, try guys, use the triple, bro.
Triple. Tam,
One
thank
Interstellar catch him.
you. Chinese, only for love, you know. Use the triple, my team. Use the triple.
Chat, use the triple chat. Use the triple team. Use the triple chat. Use the triple.
Use the triple. Favor all around. Thank you. Use the triple, my team. Use the triple.
Chat, use the triple chat. Use the triple chat. Use the triple.
Use the triple, my team. Use the triple. Sharon Grant, thank you. Use the triple.
Triple team. Come on, guys. Play.
Damn your team.
Chat, use the triple chat. Use the triple team. Go, guys. Chat, we have 800 people just like look how we are lose, bro. Like, all that makes sense.
Thank you, my team. Thank you.
Chat, all that makes sense, bro. We have 800 people are watching. 800 people are watching lose,
Sheesh. Holy love, you know, sheesh. Man government, big up, you know.
bro. Bro, we tell the man.
Team, no need for no one use the clubs and play 100K. Power tap your life.
800
No need for no
people,
one
bro.
put in.
We didn't even try.
Power up your life, power up your life, power up your life, my team.
We did even try
Power up
today.
your life. Power up your life. The Venice, thank you, maybe pick up your female, them. Maki, Tam Tam, Money G, Shanice, Twiggy, Carla, Tracy, Herfa, So Bless. Everybody will come out, come support my life.
Niggas talking like they wanna where we in the city, they don't go close. Niggas say they gon' rob us, but never we coming for weapon. I shoot a mother when I put
And
it in.
thank you.
Bitches don't lie no mind.
Team with the number.
Can't even be a side cycle. I'm in now.
The number for you, team.
Looking like you a fine. Bro, bitches trying to do it for Twitter when they used to do it for mine.
Alright, team with the close, team with the not at all, team with not close.
Yeah, respect,
Thank you,
respect,
team.
mommy, thank you.
Number 2. A number 1, yeah, well, let's see if we say
Chat, 2 more games.
I want my fights, that. But team, you don't know teamwork, make the dream work, my chat. All people loving on the team. My kid, Tam Tam, Denise, Undeniable, Money G, Shanti, Twiggy, Carla. Everybody who come out, come support my life, I appreciate it. Big up on yourself, Money G. Everybody, thank you, my team. Big up on yourself, my team. Alright, team. Team, Coco locked in, you know. We're locked in, my team. We're locked in, my team.
Chat, we're not gonna play.
Use the first trip player. Locked in, use the first trip player, the team. Use the first trip player. Even put me even half our fine stage in them. Even half our fine stage in them 2 last match. They can only follow, you know. Use up this team, use up the trip player, use up the trip player, them team.
Shabby, respect.
Sweet feel! Gorgeous, thank you.
Ty, respect, Ty.
Locked in. Undeniable, only follow, you know. So on. Princess. So one's popping. Sexy Chani team want to know big up Sexy Chani too. And Money G, Sexy Rika. It's a juicy fade. Bro, yes when you see your people, Maki, yes when you see your people, you know your people, bro. Holy love, you know. You're big on some top step. Phenomenal. Holy love, you know, phenomenal. Thank you, you know, big up on yourself, my team. I want to big up your girl, like I watch you know. Great. And there, I'm from the girl when me always big up, you know. Maki and Sexy Chani and Sexy Rika and Undeniable, yep. Me not talk about me regular girl, but them bad to bad, no matter what, they ever there.
6 rounds, chat.
Yes, what me I say, they ever there with me. Team, forward up your life, forward up your life. You can use that triple at it. That's how we no man, I know the people. Don't bother to say me, no people. I mean, I just say me.
So anything on the camp, go on.
Me and wife together, I said it 2 hours. You see it? I know what people when I pick myself. Believe.
Chat, anything on the camp, play for the triple.
Tracy.
Anything on the camp is for the triple chat.
Twiggy mommy, thank you. Money G, holy for love, you know. Money G, holy for love, you know. Shanice, holy for love, you know. Nadiva, thank you. Holy for love, you know, Nadiva. The young queen, my sister, thank you, you know. Khadija, Marshila. That is, you know, can get a snipe, we can get a snipe. But that the only fellow who can get a snipe. That is it, teamwork, you know. No, dear. I don't know if she's royal, you or she there with me long time. She's royal, pick up yourself, shout. Thank you, no shout, she's royal. The past lately, may I tell you, she's royal. The past lately, we start to notice. And you're there with me every single day. Our wifey shooter, see me, she's royal. Big up yourself. She's royal. Big up yourself.
What's
that?
Cut.
You see that?
I can't
gotta get no home, but I can get my new back.
about some shit that we didn't wait for rap.
Do the way before rap.
I don't wanna go back. So if
You see that team?
Ray, thank you.
know that I ain't forgetting
Loyalty. Big up yourself. Bro, I'll show you something. Me see, it's so crazy. Me see all Frostmar over here support me in the team. You see, me see a Frostmar over here support. You know people, we not big no side. And I say, yo, big up Akeam and big up Rose. We not talk about, I want Rose alone or I want Akeam alone. No. Akeam and Rose together. Big them, we love them, and that's the public of support. Well, most of our women still have Nigga wanted Chevy, I was young, but I had Porsche dreams.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a banger with this.
Yeah, man, my team for real, man. What a pillar.
Ray, thank you, man.
You know.
Yeah. Trying to hold with something, I'm trying to hold fuck with you. I'm trying to put it up. Shout out my label, that's me. I'm in this bitch with TP. I'm in this bitch with Porsche. I just told him me.
What if I love
Yeah, thank you. Mama, thank you.
Israel, big up yourself.
Everybody, guys, thank you.
Real support and big up yourself. You feel have the me and Rose.
Everybody, chat, respect. Big up yourself. Everybody.
I might be have an headphone because you listen to it 2 hours. Big up yourself, Israel. Money David Dan. Tracy me J. Holy for love and everybody who come to it. Inclusive everybody who come and support me like big up on yourself. Team, I'm being honest and them listen to it. Team, use up that first triple there. Use up that triple there. Swiss. When the dog. Use up that triple there. Use that triple there. Team, use up that triple there. Money G, thank you. Use the triple, my team. Use that triple there. Undeniable, holy for love, you know. Use that triple there, my team. Use that triple there, my team. Twiggy, thank you, Twiggy.
First triple chat, first triple.
Use up that triple there. Pamela, holy for love, you know, my team.
Use the first triple.
Use up.
Everybody chat. Tayan Shabby, thank you.
Holy for love, you know, my team. Carla, thank you, my team.
Respect.
My chat. Holy for love, you know. Yes,
everybody chat.
Pick up yourself, you know. Shanice, thank you, Shanice. Tracy, thank you. Swiss.
Active.
Yo, me ask you, who are your rapper, bro?
Little baby. 21.
Little baby, I'm a rapper too. A little baby, I'm a rapper. Offset? No. Well, you know, say a little baby Offset was my rapper, but a Gunna, a new wave Gunna, bro. Kinda mad you know, bro.
Little baby, 21 Savage. Meat Mill.
Melissa Meek, Gunna, baby.
Rad Wave.
Yeah, well, you know, 21, he's not a 21 fan, dog. I just, them dog, them listen to straight still, bro. Little baby,
you're right, Gunna, cause I gonna do thing now.
No, bro, but the dog, I'm gonna tell you, bro. Remember, you see, me start follow Gunna from the dog forward from jail, meaning from them in a jail, the whole incarcerated thing. Yes, when the dog come out, you see the focus where the dog locked in pan Swiss, bro, where Cadwell man pass out everybody, you know. Nah, and then the man style and
trip. Pass out the baby still. But Gunna lyrics them. Some of them song them tougher than the baby.
To me, bro, I'm not tell no lie, dog.
What the same
dog wave him swag, he wave when him come with, bro. Cause remember, man started with bread and butter, you know. Man come up from bread and butter.
You think him bigger than you think him tougher than NBA young boy?
No, bro, YB they on a different level, dog. But me no listen YB. YB I him right now. Dead so, bro. But me not really listen YB.
Gunna tough still. Don't get me wrong still. Gunna flow tough.
But me prefer Gunna flow than YB flow every single time. Mother prefer listen 21 than YB dog. Me no know, me no listen YB dog. Me not tell no lie, bro.
No, brother, why be tough? Cause
Me no really listen YB, bro. If I no gunner, bro, and Meek, I'ma tell you, to me, Meek madder than the whole of them.
no, Meek lyrics them you can relate to it. You can listen what him say.
Yeah,
Me that's
no,
say Meek over the whole of them. Meek a legend still.
yeah, Meek me say over the whole of them. Meek
No,
different,
Meek.
bro.
No,
But
honestly,
when me a
legend,
talk
bro.
about style and when me a go listen, like all a proud of them, some of them song there, I'm him, all of them song there. When you want a vibe, bro, in all your vehicle and you're there, they are lit. Them man they just have them man they
Little baby,
gonna
Little
be a
baby and my boy.
one.
Little baby and Gunna. The two of them make you listen in your car, bro. I blast out.
Blast out, yeah, bro. But to me, then give you like one of that like a Rick Ross vibe there. That's like a rich vibe there, bro. Especially Gunna. I just told you. You think so?
No, me I say you're Gunna, me real Little baby. Gunna
No, man,
man,
Lil
bro.
Bit,
Don't get me
bro.
wrong, you know, bro. Gunna song
No.
I listen to, but we put Little baby over Gunna. Most people put Gunna over
No,
Little
bro.
baby.
No,
still.
me, no, bro. Don't get me wrong. Little Baby, rougher than Gunna. And now me start listening to Gunna. Me been a listen to Baby, you know, bro.
Yeah.
Me been a listen to Baby. And now me start listening to Gunna, dog. Believe me, me just
Flow.
so that me say to you, know, bro. Me say man have a
No,
flow
Charlie, you see the artist
different,
thing.
bro.
Have like him, young dog, them call it me so me know about. I know mumble rap. Them
That little lazy voice rapping there.
no young thug. A young thug.
A feel style.
Yeah, young thug. Young thug, when me him? Young thug. You have one youth who dead, when me him? Let me make you hear that. I'm make you hear that youth.
Tandy, you don't know where I said, yo, Tandy. Meek, different Tandy. Tandy say Meek voice better. Meek, different Tandy. Me not lie. Bro, me know almost the whole of Baby Little Baby song, you know.
No, brother. What the youth, brother? Well, a young thug bill him. Not Richard, we no rap, bro. Richard.
Not Rich Homie Kwan, man.
They not them man, they, bro. When me, bro? Bumbleclaw, Lady Key, brother.
Oh, yeah, me
Hear this, man. Now. The whole of them come under young thug, bro. With that flow, yeah.
Oh, that's why they have the dogs as a boat, you know.
Listen. You hear it? I feed them thing this, bro.
Yeah.
Have a look, brother, too. I feed them thing this. Young thug Gunna, I feed them flow this.
A young dog start that little scream. So.
Yeah, it gonna have. It gonna have,
Yeah,
bro.
really thing, bro. That something there. A young thug before him go jail.
Let me tell you, sir,
Cause
young
now
thug.
him clear and now we know, bro.
Let me tell you, sir, him bring that weed
Yes,
in the rap thing, young thug.
Cause when me hear him and lay the Little Baby pan the song, I said, man, I can't believe I was locked up for real. I was in this whole time for 2 lamb cook, 4 lamb trucks, pulling up wet. I don't know what's going on. Little Baby I sing so.
I feel trust me, bro.
Young Thug I sing so, bro.
I feel man.
In changing flow. Alright, like I said. That flow them I know I was,
Alright,
bro.
you see that song the way you just sing? You see that song the way you just sing? Listen to the whole of Dirk's My Boy song, Gunna. I the man flow, brother. I the man flow, the whole of them.
But me know say dog still in
Gunna, the whole, alright, when you see Gunna and the dog fall out, you think it hurt the man, so bro? I Gunna live in the man, bro.
Me know, bro. Bro, remember say one time the man delete everything off him Insta from them time me I follow the man them, you know. And him delete everything and just a post Gunna right through, bro. Where man that try push Gunna career in my youth. The man delete everything off him Instagram and just a post Gunna.
At the dog, man. Trust me.
Believe me.
Young Thug a goat, me a goat, Ludwig a goat. The one them man that goat, bro.
Money G,
Is it me?
Man Government, Susan, Shanice, Tracy, Carla. All of my ladies, phenomenal. All of my ladies, them all heap of love, you know.
Bro, you know I
You
go, you
see?
know, bro.
Come in.
I'm not
Yeah,
the one
man, bro.
smoke. You know I go.
Alright, my brother. Yeah, man.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, man, team. Alright, I'm tell you, see me as a man, I mostly rap music me listen to. If you don't ever see how me dress or me go on, I mostly rap me listen to, bro. Yes, sir. No, for real, I mostly rap me listen to. Chino, I go on.
My there.
Yeah, just a jump on. Just a jump on.
No, you know, but my head hurt me, so I can't tell that in my face.
Go play one now, see what I go on. Team, power tap your life, the team. We are going to take time, cut it down with the number 2, my team. Big, you know, can power tap your life there and push up your score, there, my team. You see it? We are try cut down 240k to racks. Team, power tap your
I
life
have no
there.
smoke, yeah. I have no
Alright,
smoke.
yeah. Alright, chill me mute back to my team, yeah? Yeah, my team. Use up the first W there, my team. Please and thanks. So can you use up the first W? We just go and push up. We just go and push up so we can go more in our ranking. You see it? We can use the first W. Use the first W there for me. The health, you know, whole heap of love, you know. When me that say to you, say my team, Money G, thank you. Whole heap of love, you know. Carla. Pick up yourself, you know, Carla. When me that say to you, you see Meek, I'm tell you with Meek, alright, say me I compare them with Jamaican rapper. Meek could have been the chronicler. Yes, what me I say Meek Mill would have been the chronicler in this, bro. Gunna. Who would have put Gunna as? Gunna would have been the popcorn. Yes, what me I say Gunna would have been the popcorn. Popcorn in I'm era. You see, me not talk about popping no popcorn in Little Baby that be the skilly bang. You see it? Little Baby, no, that be the skilly bang. Are the thing. And Young Thug, that classify Young Thug as you know. Cause a Young Thug they on the top like teacher, you know. No man, Little Wayne a Vibes Cartel, man. Who me da compare Young Thug to? Young Thug a big boy in a business, you know. Young Thug that come like a Tommy Lee. You see like how Tommy Lee have the whole wave I go with him like the YSL and the Sparta. I have man actually a tattoo that pan the man with a dead for YSL and dead for them chain. Something that be like all the Tommy Lee and I think. You see it? Yeah man, him a young boy. Power tap your life there. Team, use that triple there, chat. Use that triple there. Use that triple there. Who is Massacre? Gracias. Big up yourself in a precious. Team, use up that triple there. We have 240k a cut down. We got 230k for cut down now, team. Money G, thank you. Use up that team. Use up that triple there. We can go over World Dog or smoke him up. We're not done if him forward and we're done go over World Dog or smoke him.
Yes, chat, nobody
But
can. Not us.
Precious! Team on a hold on the fire, hold on the fire. Thank you again. Hold on the fire, my team. Hold on the fire, hold on the fire. 1.3 million tops in a team. Big up on the Power tap your life. Power tap your life, family. Please and thanks.
Buy one blonde.
When the thing say young boy, that be the massacre. Me think say young boy would that be the massacre for dancehall. As if you no ask me, you know, bro. Massacre terribly, you know, bro. Massacre is one of my top 5 artists, them, you know. Who you think? What do you think? Why be would that be? Alkaline. Bumbleclot. YB would be alkaline, brother. I swear to you. YB that R squash. Yeah man, Massacre one of my top artists them down here. Anybody know? Anybody know me? Know say me is a strictly genocide fan. That's what me I say. Yeah, me is a strictly genocide fan. And if it's not genocide, a 6 me say straight. Nobody else. I mean not change, bro. If I'm not genocide, a 6 me say straight, bro. Cause to me, bro, is a youth way. Even in our day with the clash, is a youth way. Then give him whole heap of fight, you know, brother. Yeah, man, then give him whole heap of fight, man, bro, man. In a real life, you see it, because who them have as them favorite. You see what I say? Hold on, I'm gonna thank my team. Money G, Bopela, Carla, Shanice, Dali, Dada, everybody who come out, come support me. I appreciate you, Nina gang. Chen.
Yeah, go with Arya.
Eh?
Yeah, go with Arya playing next one.
Boy, Chen, me I go because I just try to rank me a rank. I just do a one move, you see it?
Alright.
I go on the right, take care and
Yeah.
stuff like that, please and thanks. Yeah, man, my team, but for real, man. And people,